Measure 1. Your left hand will start with your fifth finger on this C sharp and your thumb on this one. Your right hand will start with your thumb on the G sharp below middle C, third finger on the C sharp, and fifth finger on the E. At the beginning of measure 2, your left hand will move to the pinky on a B and a thumb an octave higher on this B. Measure 1 with counting. 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a, 1. Measure 1 without counting.